Hola, it's Gabby here, and today I'm going to make a card for somebody that is not feeling well, like myself. I've been with sore throat, with a frozen shoulder that is driving me crazy. But let's move on to the card. I stamping this girl that is from my favorite things. They are called that I forgot right now. That I always forget my words, but I will remember in the meantime. I'm going to continue. I'm going to do paper piecing. Then I'm going to stamp the images in different pattern papers to cut them and glue them down. The parts that are not going to be with the paper piecing, I'm going to color them with my copy markers that are going to be the feet, the face, the hair, and the bed. The rest of the stuff are going to be the paper piecing. You see, I'm going to color the hands, but the hands are going to be also in the paper piece where the tissue paper are. Because if I glue just the tissue paper, the hands are going to look weird. They're going to look like they are inside the tissue thing, not like holding the tissue thing. Don't ask me how I know this, but I know it. Also, the feet, I should put them in the blanket paper piecing, but what happened is the blanket is with pattern paper, but I can, maybe next time I will stamp the blanket in pattern paper and then stamp the feet and cut the little feet and place them in the top of the pattern paper. I don't know if I've played me right here, but I think maybe next time if I do it in camera you will understand better what I'm saying. Well, now I'm cutting my paper and I'm going to glue the blanket, the pillow, the PJ, and the tissue paper holder with the hands. Let me see if I found it, but right now I don't remember. As you see here, I also add a little bit of shadows in the pieces, and I use my memento marker to go around each piece. I did this just for the blanket and the pillow. I didn't do it for the BJs or the tissue paper holder. Okay, now I know what is the name of the stamp set. It's called Bed Rest. From my favorite scene, Pure Innocent. These dolls have several type of stamp sets. They are adorable. I want them all. I think the MFT should put to sell again the ones that are old, that are not for sale anymore, they are retired, because I see a friend that has some and they are adorable, but you can find it anywhere. But well, let's continue. I'm going to cut my piece with the die cut, and I'm going to glue everything else. While I'm gluing all the pieces, I'm going to add to the video some music. In here you see that I stamped the tissue paper holder, and I'm going to color just the hands and the paper holder, and I'm going to also cut the tissue paper, but I'm going to leave it in blank. I don't want to add any color, not even gray or anything. I'm going to leave it just like that. And as you see, with the hands like that, it looked better. Believe me, it looked better. I tried the other way and it was weird. I stared to that for like 10 minutes to figure it out what I can do, because it looks weird. I'm going to use the honeybee stamp set. No, but I'm going to use just the die cuts to make like a carpet in the bottom of the bed. If I want to put the bed up, I should add 2 more legs in the back. You can do this very easy, stamping and cutting just the legs, but I'm going to put the bed down, and I'm going to keep this card very simple. I'm just going to add the carpet and 2 pictures with pictures frames in the top of the bed, and I'm going to add my sentiment in the bottom of the bed. I'm not used to add sentiments in the front of my card, but I like this more and more. More that I do it, more that I like it. I need to buy me some sentiments because I didn't add them before. I didn't buy so much, just the one that come with the stamp sets. But I think I'm going to start adding to my stash more stamp sets with a lot of sentiments. That way I can combine and this and that and have a lot of different kind of type of sentiments. I grabbing a V and a crown to make 2 pictures for the girl to be like in a room, like she's in her room sick, spending her time. Well, as you see there, after I stamp the sentiment, my card will be done. I add a frame in pink and I glue it to my card base that is white cardstock, and that will be it. Well, thank you for watching this video. Until next card, goodbye.